Hello everyone. As breast cancer is increasing day by day, so today we will discuss about what diet we can take to prevent breast cancer in females. डाइट का एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल है हमारे लाइफस्टाइल में हमें हेल्दी रखने के लिए। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि ब्रेस्ट कैंसर को कैसे प्रिवेंट किया जा सकता है डाइट से। ब्रेस्ट कैंसर एक ऐसी डिज़ीज़ है जो लाइफस्टाइल की वजह से है। ये ज़्यादातर अर्बन पॉपुलेशन में ज़्यादातर होता है क्योंकि वहाँ पे लोगों की डाइटरी हैबिट्स आर नॉट सो गुड। सो वी विल सी व्हाट डाइट वी शुड फॉलो टू प्रिवेंट breast cancer. In this, first and foremost thing to prevent breast cancer is to maintain a healthy weight. How we can maintain the healthy weight? By not eating the processed food, and we should not have junk food, and we have to maintain our weight. And also we should have exercise in our routine so that we can maintain our weight, as increased weight is one of the factor for increased risk of breast cancer. Second thing comes that we should use plant-based diet. Plant-based diet is always protective in breast cancer because it has antioxidant properties, it has a lot of fiber, and it has phytochemicals which prevents breast cancer. तो उसमें क्या क्या आ जाएगा? उसमें जैसे कि we have to take whole legumes, grains, हमें साथ में colored fruits and vegetables, all colored fruits and vegetables we should include in our diet. Third point comes, we should limit the dietary fats. How we can limit the dietary fats? Same thing, we should not use the processed food because उसमें trans fats होते हैं which are not good for health. Fourth thing comes कि we should add plant-based soya proteins in our diet. Maximum people in Indian society have low content of protein in their diet, and they have high content of carbs in their diet. So we have to limit the carbs, and we should add soya protein our diet so that our protein content can be completed. Fifth comes, we can have green tea in our diet which has antioxidant properties. It is not confirmed that green tea helps in preventing cancer, but still it has antioxidant properties, so it can be added if anybody wants. And then sixth point comes that one should avoid alcohol. Alcohol always have a exaggerated effect on cancer. Seventh point comes for the females to prevent breast cancer is they have to maintain their bone health. As the age increases, the bones density of females decrease. For that, we can add milk in our diet, we can add vitamin D3 sachets, and we can add exercise in our daily routine so that our bone density is maintained. Then the next thing to be avoided to prevent breast cancer is we should limit our sugar. Sugar in the way in processed foods, in sugary beverages, and instead of that we should use natural sugars which are present in our fruits and vegetables. These are some tips which can help in preventing the breast cancer in females. Hope you find this topic interesting and it may be helpful for you. Thank you. Have a good day.